Hi everyone, friends. Today on the channel, I'll show you how to delete all contacts from your Google account forever. Open any browser. Yes. Here, log into your account. Here in the search, just type Google. Go to the site, click on your account. Next, click Manage your Google account. And here, we're interested in contacts. People and sharing, contacts, right here. Here, select a contact. Click right here on this arrow, then click Select All and click Delete. That's all. This was me. Bye bye, everyone.